Fetch AI has given us a massive breakout, giving us a break above a key area of resistance above the 1.162 and a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping those key areas back into support. We have also seen an aggressive breakout to the upside after we saw a break out of this double bottom that we had here on the charts the moment we saw a break above the neckline, in a move that has now fully maximized the minimum target areas above the $1.231. And on today's video, I will be discussing the next key areas that we can easily maximize in the next coming hours, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures, and also give you my long-term price prediction analysis, where I still expect more than a 10x in this bull market. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 4-hour chart, I want to give you a recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, when we started an aggressive bounce to the upside and we picked in a 5-wave structure over here in a move that gave us a high above the $1.748, and that 5-wave structure to the upside completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1. And after we picked in that larger Elliott wave count 1, we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fibs from the bear market, not from the bear market lows, from the lows that we made on the 5th of August to the highs above the $1.742, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and between the 0.925 and the $1.344, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we now have a low in place for this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment could be the start of a very impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3. And for us to get a confirmation that we have started that impulsive movement to the upside and we have a low in place for this wave 2, we need to see Fetch AI give us a 5-wave structure to the upside and also give us a break above the significant high that we made above the $1.742. The moment we see those two scenarios play out, that will be enough confirmation that we have a low in place for this wave 2, and that impulsive Elliott wave count 3 is just getting started, and its minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliott wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we have at the moment in this wave 2, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the $2.779, an area that I will be expecting Fetch AI to fully maximize in the next coming days. That is what I'm expecting on the short term. On the long term, I still believe that we got our bear market lows last year and started an aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked above the 3.479, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, whose minimum target areas marked on the charts using this blue target area we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for that wave 2, and in the next coming months or maybe weeks we are going to start that impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. Then we can expect a wave 4, then continue pushing even higher in an Elliott wave count 5 that should take us to new all-time highs and possibly give us more than a 10x. And for that to play out, we also need to see Fetch AI holding above the last line of support on the Fibonacci's in case of any sudden pullbacks above the fib level 0.88, and that lies above the $0.583. In case of any sudden pullbacks, that is the last line of support that we need to see Fetch AI holding. And on losing that area over here, then I will be expecting a total breakdown move, giving us a reset of the bear market lows. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term. And let's be patient and see how that plays out and I will be keeping you up to date.